Before takeoff, please check all the manuals to ensure safe flight. Ensure that the battery and controller are fully charged before takeoff. Scan the QR code on the manual to download and install the app. Ensure that you have completed registration on the FAA website before use. Remove the propeller guard. Inspect and unfold the arms of the V11PRO drone. Ensure the landing gear on the front arms is unfolded. Check if the propellers are securely installed. Inspect if the battery is safely mounted. Verify if the SD card is inserted correctly. Remove the camera cover and peel off the protective film on the camera.